brothers and sisters. Good evening, brothers and sisters. And I was inspired in the previous activities that Rotary have attended, and I was inspired that in the activities they already started with the short prayer and keep those songs at this in this very important activities. Lord, thank you, Lord, for giving us the opportunity to arrive here safely for the
Harap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang.
As I look at the audience, we have a good cross-section of society in terms of age. We have very young, and we have not so very young. But that is the purpose behind this.
Not so young.
Here in our Rotary Community Forum and our program club. And many times, people say, what is the relevance of all of this? Why are we here? Why are we doing these things? And we should continue going to the future if we want to make a difference for ourselves, our communities, and our country. That is one particular aspect that is sorely lacking in this country of ours right now. Service. Service to our community as RCC. A Rotary Community Forum is a team of non-Rotarians, of men and women who are committed to meet community needs, such as literacy, lack of safe water, hunger, or village, which is famine, or neighborhood or community living outside of that village. The members understand and accept the provisions of the Rotary Community Corps, Constitution, and bylaws. You will be having your own bylaws.
Oh, sure.
May I ask you to raise your right hand? The oath of membership. I, of G.A. Satima Asuncion,
Agree being as member of the Rotary Community Corps of G.A. Satima Asuncion,
of the Rotary Club of Makati South, do solemnly swear that I will abide by, follow and uphold all the duties and responsibilities of my position. I pledge to advance the object of Rotary. So help me God.
Rose Comador and Ansel Anastasio.
Comedian Outreach Program is Rosa Regina Sarosa and Ia Fatima Rudy.
Youth Directors, Rafael Anthony Gonzalez, Emmanuel B. Ansay, and Carlo Miguel Trujillo.
Fellow Past President Bong and PM Uli. Good evening, my dear Rotaractors. Okay. I'm so glad to be here in front of you, meeting you for the first time. And before we proceed with the induction, I would like to remind you, for the last time, if you will take on the responsibilities vested in you as
of the Rotary Club of AMA University Makati Campus. Having been elected as state your positions. Do hereby solemnly swear upon my honor to faithfully and unreservedly discharge the duties and obligations of my position, fully conscious of the grave responsibility which I have voluntarily and willingly committed to assume. I further pledge to uphold and defend the Constitution and bylaws of my club. All these I do pledge and promise to observe and to do the best of my ability without any mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
For that, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Rotary Club of Makati.
Today is considered as a milestone in our lives of Rotary. It is something that we will cherish even after our term. It is exciting and exciting. It is also the start of a wonderful yet challenging period in our lives. It is unforgettable event just like the third that we will ceremony today. So much has been said about leadership and human story, but it is always timely and essential. They do have what we do on the mission basis. As role models, we have to inspire others to be responsible and effective in their responsibilities. We are doing our best to encourage people to follow our path.
We have two promising, God-centered, dynamic, and youthful organizations in the academic and community sectors. To our brothers and sisters at the Satima Asuncion, we assure you that your Father Club will always extend its unsolicited support. For the Rotaractors, our Rotarians of the future, be reminded that as future Rotarians, you are to follow the four-way test now, or you have to learn the four-way test now. And finally, just students to be part of our club. To the Rotaract Club advisor, Mr. Orlando Esparago, please come. To the people behind RCCJK County, and to the support of all Rotarians in our club.
We would like to present this token of appreciation for your efforts, your guidance in helping us put together our Rotary Community Corps. This is our way of saying that we are committed to the ideals of the US House. Thank you very much. Also, we would like to say thank you very much for being around and giving an inspirational message to our Rotary Club. And I hope that they will continue to heed your advice. Thank you. If you could come forward here, please. This is a token of our appreciation to your commitment now as our RCC for test. I know that you guys live by it all the time. Thank you very much. Study it today and share it with other members. And hopefully live by the more